Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Certainly, here's a step-by-step method for cooking the perfect American burger. Ingredients: 1 pound, for 50 g, ground beef, 80% lean, 20% fat recommended for juiciness. 4 hamburger buns. 4 slices of American cheese. 1 small onion, thinly sliced. 1 tomato, sliced. Lettuce leaves. Pickles, optional. Ketchup and mustard, or your preferred condiments. Salt and pepper. Butter or oil for toasting buns. Instructions. 1. Prepare the burger patties. Start by handling the ground beef gently, avoid overpacking it. Divide it into 4 equal portions. Shape each portion into a patty about 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, thick. Season both sides of the patties with salt and pepper. 2. Heat the grill or pan. Preheat your grill or a stovetop pan over medium-high heat. If using a grill, make sure it's well oiled to prevent sticking. 3. Cook the burger patties. Place the burger patties on the grill or pan. For medium-rare burgers, cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. For medium burgers, cook for about 5 to 6 minutes per side. For well-done burgers, cook for about 8 to 9 minutes per side. During the last minute of cooking, add a slice of American cheese to each patty and let it melt. 4. Toast the buns. While the patties are cooking, slice the hamburger buns in half. Spread a little butter or oil on the cut sides. Toast the buns on the grill or in a separate pan until they are lightly browned. 5. Assemble the burgers. Place a lettuce leaf on the bottom half of each toasted bun. Add the cooked patty with melted cheese. Top with tomato slices and thinly sliced onions. Optionally, add pickles for extra flavor. 6. Add condiments. Squeeze ketchup and mustard, or your preferred condiments, onto the top half of the toasted bun. 7. Complete the burger. Place the top half of the bun with condiments onto the burger. Use a toothpick to secure the burger if needed. 8. Serve and enjoy. Your perfect American burger is ready to be served. Serve it hot with your favorite side dishes, such as French fries or coleslaw. 9. Optional, customize. Feel free to customize your burger with additional toppings like bacon, avocado, or sautéed mushrooms according to your preferences. Now you have a delicious, homemade American burger.